China has unveiled a groundbreaking amphibious drone called Feiyi, designed to seamlessly navigate both air and water. This innovative rotary-wing UAV is capable of underwater submersion, surface navigation, and aerial flight, making it a versatile platform for various applications, from environmental monitoring to advanced military operations. Feiyi's design focuses on efficiency and adaptability. Its folding arms streamline the drone's profile underwater, reducing drag and enhancing stealth. When airborne, these arms extend to provide high maneuverability and stability. The rotary folding mechanism improves the drone's structural stability, reduces weight, and offers greater range of motion compared to traditional folding systems. The drone features separate propulsion systems for both air and water. A quadrotor setup powers its flight, ensuring stability and responsiveness in the air. 4 underwater operations for dedicated thrusters give the Feiyi precise control with 6 degrees of freedom. This separation of propulsion ensures optimal performance in each environment, overcoming the limitations of shared systems in existing amphibious drones. Feiyi's control system incorporates Active Disturbance Rejection Control (ADRC), a method that compensates for environmental disturbances during transitions between air and water. This allows Feiyi to perform smooth cross-medium maneuvers with high precision and stability, offering altitude control accurate to within plus or minus 0.1 meters and angular deviations of just plus or minus 0.5 degrees. In trials, Feiyi demonstrated exceptional capabilities. Underwater, it navigated smoothly, able to dive, hover, and ascend at speeds of up to 2 meters per second. In the air, it reached a maximum speed of 3 meters per second. One of the drone's most impressive features is its seamless transition between underwater navigation and vertical flight, taking less than 10 seconds. The drone also showed precise control during its return to water, performing a controlled splashdown before retracting its arms for underwater tasks. Feiyi's versatility makes it suitable for both civilian and military applications. It can be used for environmental monitoring, underwater resource exploration, and search and rescue missions in civilian settings. For military operations, it offers a robust platform for maritime reconnaissance, surveillance, and rapid strike missions, combining the stealth of underwater movement with the speed of aerial deployment. When compared to existing amphibious UAVs like the GTQ Cormorant and Neza series, Feiyi stands out with its innovative rotary folding arm design, separate propulsion systems, and the integration of ADRC. These features enhance its efficiency, stability, and adaptability, making Feiyi a game-changer in the field of amphibious drones. This revolutionary platform is set to redefine the future of multimedium vehicles.